It's time to step outside your door and enjoy nature firsthand. Take a look around and join others exploring the world around them.
If it's either one of these, they're safe.
With Nature Saskatchewan, there are so many opportunities to engage and explore. Take part in our spring and fall meets and learn about a new area in Saskatchewan. Or become involved in our Stewards of Saskatchewan programs and help to protect species at risk and their habitats.
Become inspired by nature. Take the time to enjoy the vast lands, the delicate flowers, the infinite skies, and the intricate patterns of the birds. Becoming a caretaker in our important bird areas program might be just the thing you need to become inspired. Our Nature Quest and Inner Nature programs aim to engage you and inspire them to love and appreciate nature.
With appreciation comes a willingness to protect. Conservation, education, and research are all ways that Nature Saskatchewan promotes appreciation. Each corner of the province is represented by one of our 15 local societies. Join a local group and take part in field trips and excursions to discover the natural world around you.
Do you hear anybody making noise?
Teach your children to get excited about spring's first blooms with our Plant Watch program. Or learn about migration at the Last Mountain Bird Observatory. Gather your friends and your family and explore each and every one of our 6 nature sanctuaries. Nature Saskatchewan has several outreach programs aiming to connect nature and culture.
Nature Saskatchewan has been dedicated to the conservation of Saskatchewan's natural environment since 1949. With over 900 members, we provide programs, services, and experiences that foster a love for nature. Our organization is the voice for nature in Saskatchewan, and our membership helps to make that voice louder. Please join us today.